Good morning, dear students. Students, what are intersecting lines? Intersecting lines, when two line segment meet at a common point, is called intersecting lines. Okay. Now, students, see what are intersecting lines. See, this is the line segment AB and this is the line segment CD. When they meet at a common point, is called the intersecting lines. Okay, here AB and CD are intersecting lines. Okay, now point of intersection. What is point of intersection? The point at which they meet is known as the point of intersection. See, here this is O. At this point, both two line segments meet now. So this point is called a point of intersection. Okay, so here O is the point of intersection. Students, see, this is X. So this is the intersecting lines, and this point at the point at which they meet is known as the point of intersection. Okay, beta. Now see, next is parallel lines. What are parallel lines? Lines which do not meet are parallel lines. For example, railway track. Beta, railway track is the best example of parallel lines. Okay. See, beta, जब ट्रेन जब चलती है तो वो जब ट्रैक पे चलती है ना, तो वो ट्रैक पे वो इक्वल डिस्टेंस होता है बीच में, तभी चलती है ना ट्रेन. सो इन दैट सिमिलरली AB and CD, these are the lines. Okay, lines which do not meet are parallel lines. Okay, and their distance between is equal. These are parallel lines. These AB and CD are the parallel lines. The distance between lines never changes, and these lines never meet. बेटा ये कभी भी नहीं मिलते. These lines never meet. Look at the opposite side of your notebook also. See this line and this line. This line and this line, these are parallel to each other because their distance between this is same. Okay, now you can see, look at the opposite side of your ruler. See beta, this and this, their distance in these are same na beta. इसका बीच का distance same है ना हर तरफ से. So this line and this line, these are parallel lines. Okay. Now, perpendicular lines. What are perpendicular lines? When two lines meet at right angle. So, now what is right angle? Beta, right angle, we will learn about these right angles in my next videos. But little bit, I'll tell you that right angle क्या होता है बेटा? 90 degree का जो angle बनता है. See, see this. Okay. This is right angle, means ये 90 डिग्री का. at that position in which we stand, हम जब खड़े होते हैं तो वो हमारा कौन सा एंगल बनता है? 90 डिग्री का. ओके, सो when two lines meet at right angles, we say that they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, see, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, this point you can write M. So this is also called the point of intersection. Okay, these beta, this is also intersecting lines, you can write. Okay, but अगर ये line segments इस shape में है तो this is also intersecting line. This is also called intersecting lines, but these are perpendicular lines. Why? Because these makes an angle of 90 degree. Okay, we will read about this right angles in my next videos. I hope you have cleared all these. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.